welcome to Hamlins Legal Secrets. If you're guilty of letting those unpaid invoices stack up, then this episode is for you. Lola walks us through 4 surefire ways to get those invoices paid.
Hello, it's Lola Dawson, and today I'm giving you tips on how to get your clients to pay your outstanding invoices, i.e. how to get paid, the thing that every business wants. So you've worked really hard providing a service or supplying some goods, but your invoices haven't been paid. What do? Well, firstly, you can send a polite reminder email, text, or call, whichever format suits your business relationship. We've all been guilty of making late payments, and your outstanding invoices could be the result of just that, a late payment. If you do not receive a response to your polite reminder, the next thing to do is to send a chaser. What's the difference, you ask? Well, in this scenario, a chaser is a much firmer communication. It's you saying, please pay us, but adding the ultimatum of legal proceedings. For example, please pay us within X days or else we will have no choice but to pursue legal proceedings. If you still do not get a response to your firm and politely threatening chaser, you may then want to get legal help. Beyond this point, things get serious. There are effectively 2 routes that you can take, which is 1, instruct your lawyers to obtain a statutory demand, also known as a stat demand, or 2, pursue litigation. So a statutory demand is a formal written demand for payment of a debt within 21 days. If the debtor does not pay within those 21 days and either fails to apply to set aside the stat demand or fails to apply to restrain the creditor, you, from presenting a winding up petition, so it depends on whether it's an individual or a company, then you can use that statutory demand as grounds to pursue a bankruptcy order or a winding up order. You should obtain legal advice because it has to be drafted in a particular way, and it's usually only suitable for debts that are straightforward and undisputed. If your circumstances deem litigation to be more suitable, your legal team can draft and send a letter before action, which is basically a letter that sets out the debt owed, your entitlement to the debt owed, and that you must be paid within a certain period of time, usually 14 to 30 days, or else you'll be issuing legal proceedings and claiming interest as well as your legal costs of pursuing the debt. So things get very expensive very quickly for the debtor. Once a letter before action has been sent, most debtors seeking to avoid legal proceedings will pay up or offer to pay on a payment plan. If there is still no agreement, a claim form can be issued and served using the usual litigation procedure, or in some cases the money claims online service. The objective with litigation is to get a judgment order to enforce against the owing client's assets, such as, for example, their cash at the bank. Needless to say, instructing your lawyers to obtain a statutory demand or to pursue litigation should not be taken lightly, and it could put a strain on your business relationship with the client who owes you the money. So if you want to preserve that relationship, everything that can be done commercially should be done before getting to the stat demand litigation stage. And your lawyers can help with thinking up commercial settlement strategies that may assist in preserving your business relationship with the client that owes you. So do get them involved early. There you have it. How to get outstanding invoices paid in a nutshell. Thank you.
Thanks for listening to Hamlin's Legal Secrets. If you would like a free 20-minute consultation, then subscribe to the podcast and drop me a line at podcast@hamlins.com.